Hello everyone, this is Larry Port with Rocket Matter, and today we're going to take a look at one of our reports that's really useful in trying to figure out how to pay all the lovely people that created business for you. And this is our origination report. Now, a lot of law firms do origination differently. So what we do at Rocket Matter is we get you most of the way there, and then you can figure out everything else on your own, right? So let's take a quick look. This is our lovely report page. And if I go to this report, I want to see an originator for all clients. We're going to see some really cool stuff. So let's go take a look. We have some helpful tips up above, as you see, and we're going to run our report. Now, this is sample data, so we're not going to have that many results. But if you can see here, we have two originators in the system, right? And you specify an originator in the system, and then we can build this report. Now, if I expand these results, so this is the originator, the next grouping are the clients. So the clients in this case, for Brandy Baldessari, the originator, would be Kelly Burke, Nathan Jordan, and Sky Brothers, right? And so if I expand Sky Brothers, you can see that there's a number of invoices underneath. So let's take a look real quick. On this first one, there is an invoice amount of $1,002, payments of $1,002. And if we were to take a look at this invoice, we would see that there were $960 worth of fees. So there was some costs baked into that invoice, right? Which we might not want to consider clearly if we're going to try and pay an origination fee. So for the next invoice, 9992 here, the invoice amount was $3,000. The payments were $3,000. So $3,000 was paid to fees. And in the next one, a similar example. So you kind of see how this works. This is all exportable, right? So this is all exportable to Excel. So if you have to like come up with some sort of percentage calculation about how much you're going to pay people, then that's the way that this works. This is a huge time saver for a lot of people because previously to be able to figure out who originated what client or what case or what have you, and then looking at the billable information for those people and of the invoices that went out, how much of those things were paid and how much were paid to fees as opposed to costs. That was a lot of work that people were crunching. So this is one of those instances where we've saved people literally hours and hours and hours of time. This is our origination report, and I hope you enjoyed this little tidbit.